Hi everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how to create checkmarks to then put in your recorded video once it's finished, so you can quickly recover key points or hot points that you think they are great to share. I was thinking of doing this because I want to resume RIBBIT, so that's the perfect chance I would say to make this. I thought that there was an easier solution, but there's none. So what you need to do is to search online a program called a OBS plugin called InfoWriter. This plugin is old but still works. Basically, there's installation. You click on the link here. It will open this one. You download the installer one. Once you download the installer one, place the installed thing into your OBS studio location, basically folder. It will be added inside. Just to give a quick showcase, it's extremely fast to do so. You need to close OBS, of course, but usually the location is the same. Do not close the application. Just to give you the link. And we will download the thing here. C program files, OBS plugins, 64-bit OBS cancel installation. Okay, like for example, I use this as a key point, so key point number 1. I made the shortcut for it, then I'll showcase the thing. After you downloaded the InfoWriter correctly, you can see here add InfoWriter is present. I already create an InfoWriter right here. Click on it, and basically what I personally use is the SRT file format, which it will be necessary to put it in the video. Sorry, I was cut in the dialogues. What about saying? Basically, the SRT file is necessary to play it in the video. Once it's finished, you put the subtitle file in the video, and you can quickly search where you want to go. The key points, basically. The key point name, you can call it whatever you want. And the log file is where the log file will be saved. InfoWriter marks I created, you can see there are created 2 marks in the general ones. You should always have only one InfoWriter or create multiple folders to rearrange them, but it's really easy. So the text, it will become like this: 24, the date, year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds, by basically copying these ones and put a SRT file in order to give it the extension. Delete the log scenes right here, not necessary. The other thing that you should do is to quickly give the shortcut, going shortcuts. Like for example, I created the InfoWriter for this recording specifically. I call it InfoPC. Yes, InfoPC. Give it the whatever shortcut you want, letters or special characters. As an example, here I put 6. Okay, for example, now I'll use again the shortcut to create a chapter here. I created a chapter here. Okay. And you're pretty much done. there's nothing else to do. Now I'll stop the video, replay the video to showcase how you can put the SRT inside. Okay, this is a new video, then I'll merge them together. Go to the recordings. Here you can see my recording previously. Do not close the application shortcut for Checkmarks. Okay, now what you want to do is to go info writer, click on the last modified thing you made. In my case I'll put this one because the recording was this one, not the latest one. It will auto generate the new file once every time, because I asked each time I start the recording create a new file with date, months and so on. So what you want to do is the SRT file, the subtitle one, drag it inside your video player. It can be VLC, SMP. In my case SMP is easier to use. And now if I go to subtitles, you can see it got added because you can see start and finish. Never mind, you can see the finish. But if you press the shortcut to navigate between the subtitles, in my case Ctrl left, Ctrl right, you see PC. Did I create the shortcut exactly when I need it? And you can hear also my voice. I made the shortcut for it, then I'll showcase the thing. There's a chapter here. Okay. And GG, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is useful, because I honestly thought there was a much easier solution, but apparently not. Had to kind of see things for myself. And that's how you create checkmarks for your recordings to then rewatch and make clips for important or funny things you find during your gameplay or general stream chat, whatever you want. I'll see you in RIBBIT. I'll make the final episode of Italian RIBBIT today. And yeah. Wish you a nice weekend. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos. Bye.